Dreamers, take a moment. Imagine a place where emerald mountains plunge into infinite turquoise seas. Welcome to Madeira, Portugal's floating garden paradise nestled in the middle of the Atlantic. Our journey begins with a breathtaking drone shot, a bird's-eye view of dramatic volcanic cliffs bathed in golden sunrise. Here on this island, vibrant hibiscus and jacaranda blooms welcome you at every turn. Take a stroll down the Levadas, Madeira's famous irrigation trails that lead you through lush valleys and ancient laurel forests. Feel the soft mist of cascading waterfalls as you hike. Yes, nature embraces you here like nowhere else. And it's not just the views that will enchant you. Let's talk about flavor. Madeira's local cuisine is a celebration of the sea and soil. Think scabbard fish with banana, passion fruit pudding, or sweet bolo de mel cake. Not to be missed? Try their world-renowned Madeira wine. It's liquid sunshine in a glass. For an unforgettable adrenaline rush, ride a traditional toboggan down the hills of Monte, or paraglide off Cabo Girão, one of Europe's highest sea cliffs. Prefer relaxing? Head to Porto Moniz's natural volcanic pools and let time dissolve. When's the best time to visit? Madeira's beauty is eternal, but spring blooms steal the show from March to May. Hidden gems? The fishing village of Câmara de Lobos is pure postcard perfection. So pack your bags. Adventure calls. And remember, your next journey is just a click away. Subscribe now to Destination Travel. Let us help you explore dreams made real.